In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design Klaviyo emails. In order to do that, first, head over to klaviyo.com and proceed to sign up by adding right here your email address. Now, if you already have an account, you can just head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here in order to log in. Since I already have an account, let me head over and then just log in. Now, here is my actual dashboard. Now, onto your dashboard, you can head over and design an email by choosing in here the content option. You can just click on this templates, and then from in there, you can see in here your email library, so make sure to click on that and utilize in here some templates that you want. However, you can also create from blank. If you do decide to create from blank, just head over and click onto this create, and then after that, they should be able to open the actual template editor of Klaviyo. Now into this, you can just input right here the content that you would want. So for example, let's add in here some header bars. Just drop the content right here. And then from in there, you can also add in here some options that you would wish to use. If you wish to delete some parts, you can head over and click on that and click on this trash can icon. Now in here, you can just rearrange some contents if you would want to as well. Just add in here some blocks such as shadows. You can also proceed to add right here some more options like social links, buttons, images, and text right here. So right here I have added an image. Click onto the select image, and then you can choose from your image library. You can upload, import, or use dynamic images or product images available. Now you can add some more blocks such as text, as well as spacers, quotes, products, as well as HTML that you can actually utilize. Once you're done, you can head over and preview and test it on yourself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.